Wyatt Earp's house out here in Tombstone, Arizona. This is where Wyatt Earp and Doc Holliday and the Earp brothers put law and order into the last frontier. Tombstone, Arizona. We're at 102 East Fremont Street here in Tombstone. You can't miss it. This is the OK Corral gunfight site right here, and then old downtown Tombstone. This is where Wyatt Earp would come after handling business with the Cowboys. He'd come here on his horse. He'd parked the horse here, and he'd go in and take his boots off and relax. Perhaps enjoy a cigar, perhaps a bottle of whiskey. This is the patio and the porch where Wyatt would come out here and look at the town. Feel free to pause and read. It is for sale. Sorry, I lost my shoe. I wonder why there's two doors here. If like there's two, if you can go in and out the other one, or like maybe one's a kitchen. I'm not sure. Comment below if you know. Let's take a look around some of the. Oh, there's the man himself. The gracious monument for Mr. Wyatt Earp out here on his lawn with the roof shingles there. In the U-Haul here, I imagine this would attach to a carriage and you would haul your goods or whatever you may want to transport in this here. Authentic from the 1880s, which is the time that Wyatt would have dwelled here. What a sight to see in the city of Tombstone, the wild, wild west, the Wyatt Earp house.